how to set preferred SIMs for calls and messages to SIM or physical SIM on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down. You will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After you click on Connections, click on SIM Manager. After click on SIM Manager, here showing you calls, messages and mobile data. So if you want to set preferred SIM for call and messages eSIM. So if you want to set calls, click on calls. After click on calls, so you will select eSIM and physical SIM. So after select physical SIM, click on messages. So you will select SIM, eSIM and physical SIM. So after select physical SIM, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set preferred SIM for calls and messages to eSIM or physical SIM on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.